Hey guys, what up? Scopas here. Today we are playing Hunger Games, and the games have actually already started, and I'm pretty late. So I'm getting up, just starting to record, and blah blah blah. But this is a special Hunger Games. Today there will be no teaming, no nothing like that. Steal that bow from him. Punch this guy's face off. Don't be a poser. Don't be a... You suck. You suck. You suck. Like I said, do not be a poser. Alright then, see you guys in the next round. Hold up. Alright, yeah, we're back. Sorry about that. Gosh, I got the time wrong. Whatever. No, not this one. I suck at this one. Oh my gosh, you know what? But at least I got the recording in on time. Oh my gosh, my music is on. I just realized that. Alright, that's nice. Just, oh my gosh, no. Is it? Oh no, it is not responding. Oh, there we go. I'm back. I'm back, guys. I'm back. La 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 la. Unicorns. Okay. Gotta get in my zone. In zone of my like da 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 blah 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 blah. 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4. Follow me. No, don't see me. I hate you. I'm saying I see one time. I hate myself. I'm punching you. I'm punching you, you little duck. You are duck. Oh, jeez. I wonder if it has like. Nope, but I have a buttered chest plate. Oh, get pumped on. Oh, I think that launched me. I'm like, no, you did not just do that. Ooh, yes. Oh yeah, get pumped. Get pumped. Get pumped. Can't tame the guy who's untamable. You know why? Because, like I said, I'm untamable. Go some people smack their bones off. Ho! Ho ho ho! I'm Santa Claus. Would you like me to come? No, you know what? I'm not Santa Claus. I'm sorry. Probably just caused a lot of you emotional distress right now. You're probably wanting to hate me and beat me with the chicken I have in my hand right now. Oh wait, there's something there. I didn't. I'm taking all this. I'm taking all of it. I don't even need all of it. I'm just gonna wear the chain instead because the chain is like so pretty on me. Makes me look adorable. And I think there's a chest under there, but I cannot get it. Like, I've done it before, so I can tell you that. I think it just, did I just literally just drop? Why do I keep on saying I just is like my favorite word? No, it's a lie. It's nothing. That's actually good. Why are we talking about this? Let's just continue on killing everyone. Whatever. Oh wait, there's just right there. Let's get jet. Oh, I thought that said hot jiggly dogs. I'm like, what? Why would they be jiggly? Ew. Ew. He just got by a jiggly hot dog. He's like, ew, why is it flopping? I have no idea, son. I have no idea. Where's the chest? What? Where's the chest? It's usually right there in front of my face. It usually yells at me all the time, and I forgive it because we're friends. I have no friends. Alright, now to get over that weird commentary, let's just... Oh my gosh, here we go. Oh yes, oh yes. Ooh, baked potatoes. Oh, I love those. They are so nice. Even though in real life I pretty much like hate potatoes. Don't hate. If you like, unless you hate potatoes, just don't hate. Just wait. I thought it just load. Let it load. Oh. I mean, someone was in here, so gotta pull out my stone axe. I mean, this is not an axe. This is a sword. What's wrong with you? Are you blind? Are you mentally blind? I'm talking smack to myself. It's sad. That's really sad. Very natural. I know I probably shouldn't have, but you know what? You cannot tame the untamable unless you have a taming stick of tameable, that is tamed in a tamey way. I lost myself. Put that up. TNT. Oh, this is what happens when you bark at me. This is what happens. You let me die. I had a butter chest plate. That guy's an idiot. He didn't pick up the chest plate and the apple and the carrot. What's wrong with that guy? You know what? See you guys in the next round. You suck. We're back. Yeah, totally. Oh, I'm gonna new life. Oh, just no. Why? This is the one that I easily just got murdered on. Someone just killed me with his fist or something. I don't know. Don't judge me. I was just like, don't judge me. I'm gonna go crawl in my hole now. The hole where I live. And oh my god, who is calling me? Okay, you know what? I'll be right back, guys. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my, that call took forever. Already started. Look at that. Killed. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I am getting scared. I'm peeing my pants. Nobody do this. Is this supposed to kill you when like it needs you? That's like the dumbest question you can ask. Is this supposed to kill you when... really am. Just trust me on that. What was all that lightning? Why was that doing that? It was scaring me. My leather. I have to change this. Oh, is it done? Is it done? Is it done for good? Oh my god. I was about to pee my pants. I was like, what the? And I actually got hit with some. What was that all about? Did they just not like me? Did they just be like, oh yeah, it crashed. Just hit him, hit skull. Yeah, hit him harder, hit him. Oh my gosh, I'm getting hungry. You know what? To do that, I'm gonna eat a cookie. Oh, that was a good cookie. Tastes like butter. Some butter tastes more majestical. Alright, so I have my sword. And I have my fear in the gut, because you probably just heard me like burp with fear or something like that. You know what? Just don't talk. Just don't listen to me anymore. Just don't. I think it's ruining your brain or something. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I feel so good. Oh, I really need to calm down right now. Who is the murderer? My gosh, like a guy with a kill streak of 7 billion, trillion, pillion, flip. What the? I just glitched. I hate when that happens. I can just run all over the place, and then finally get to where you want, and then it's just like, no, you gotta go back. What? Screw you. Screw. Carrots. I'm taking this. Oh my gosh. A lot of people missed out on these chests anyways. There's probably been a lot of people that killed. Like, nobody went for that chest because they're really scared. But I am. I'm a guy who's not that easily scared. Unless it's by like, what the? Oh, I thought I got hurt. What? Who is hitting me? Just lay off, bro. You know what? It was just me falling. I'm overreacting. Imagine you come down and there's only 8 Who is the guy who's killing everyone? He's like running around, just like, yeah. He's like just killing everyone like a vile beast. Like, oh my gosh. I'm still having to calm down. I'm like walking around, I see loot on the ground. I'm like, whoa. Who left this loot here? And then, yeah, so. Alright, so. Okay, well that didn't really work. I should have eaten the flipper. What is it called? Oh my! What? What is that? Stop hitting me! Oh, I'm stone! Oh my! Run! Eat! Oh, I'm about to die! Oh my God! No! Calm down! Oh, get in your happy place, Oh my, I am about to have a seizure here. What the flip? They're too... Okay, yeah, see you in the next round. That sucked. Well, welcome back, guys. Oh, okay, we're back in like another... Oh my gosh, there we go. Finally. And we're back. No. No. Oh, no. It's this map again. No. I don't want to do this. Don't stop hitting it. That's my thing. That's what I do. Gosh. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna do it. Oh my gosh, I am still trying to recover. What? I don't know how. They're just random flipping lightnings. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, let's high five each other. Nice. Ooh, I actually need to just calm my butt and just. Ooh, oh my gosh, just gotta have a nice donut or cookie right now. Yeah, just enjoying this donut right here. You want some? You want some? You can't have any. I'm taking this. I'm just like, I'm taking this. It's mine. Yeah. It's like you just like wipe your face with the whole thing of snot and like. Yeah. Oh wait. I'm just want to bet that just lay off, bro. Really? I got TNT, girl. Girl, I got TNT. I will blow your face up. Girl, come over here. Girl, I ain't getting scared one more time. Wait, wanna hug? Wanna? No. Can you at least do me a solid? Hold this. Yes, it is him. No. My friends are getting No. Oh my God, no. Alright guys, we're back. Oh my, who keeps picking this map? Who keeps picking this map, okay? Oh my God, I just, oh my gosh. Oh, and actually, yes, there's a lot of YouTubers here. There's people. Yeah, I'll tell you who's recording. The people. That's who. Okay. Oh my gosh. No, I don't want to. I really don't want to do this. You know I'm gonna die just like in the first 20 seconds. Either by someone slaying me or just plain lightning. Why is there lightning? Why? Just why? For what's gonna not be lightning? Can I just live and frolic like the weird majestical beast I am? I think I spawned where I normally spawned. I won. It's like just like 2 seconds after I say that, I died. It's like what's oh my gosh, I'm actually getting good stuff. But you know what? That's not gonna matter because lightning's gonna kill me. I hope I'm jinxing all this. So I'm just gonna be probably just jinx what I just said. So. Oh yes. Oh yummy. Yeah. Tell me more. Tell me more about how the lightning is going to strike my face and eat me. Oh, that. I thought that was just like an iron thing. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm getting actually pretty psyched here. I'm not saying I will win, but I think I have good chances. Horrible game. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This has been the lightning round. What is with me? He's not picked up the better chest than going. Hands up like that one. Oh, I'm getting really scared. Okay. Oh yeah, like if you did like that, hit that like button, whatever. Comment, subscribe. I always love new subscribers. This is my best friend. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, okay, I'm gonna get. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Stay fresh.